Rita made a cup of black tea for herself in the morning. But while she was sipping on her cup of tea, the tea leaves left a bitter taste in her mouth. So this time, she used a strainer to filter and separate the tea leaves from the mixture. It's insightful to know that just like the strainer, our bodies also have an organ that helps in filtering and removing unwanted materials from the body. The organ performing these functions is called the kidney. The kidney is a reddish, bean-shaped organ that is externally protected by a layer called the renal capsule. Internally, the organ is divided into three regions. The outer, darker region is called the cortex. The middle, lighter region is called the medulla. And the innermost region is called the renal pelvis. The renal cortex is granular as it contains a network of capillaries and millions of filtering units called nephrons. Next is the medulla. It is made of many pyramid-shaped structures called the renal pyramid. On an average, there are 8 renal pyramids in each kidney. In between the pyramidal structures are spaces called renal columns. The tip of the renal pyramids point towards the renal pelvis. Lastly, the renal pelvis or the hilum is the innermost concave region which allows the entry and exit of blood vessels. The blood that is sent out from the heart contains both the essential nutrients and the non-essential nutrients. Essential nutrients include glucose, water, and some important salts, whereas non-essential nutrients may comprise toxic metabolic wastes. The blood enters the kidney through the renal artery. The main function of the kidney is to separate the toxic, non-essential nutrients from the blood and keep only the essential ones. This is done by the nephrons. The essential components that return to the capillaries are transported to the renal vein, which then takes it back to the heart. Nephrons are the basic structural and functional unit of the kidney. It is amazing to note that there are approximately 1 million filtering units in just one kidney that continuously filters out blood. The renal pelvis finally collects the urine and passes it to the urinary bladder through the ureters. Normally, in an adult human body, 1.5 liters of urine is produced each day. Hence, we can infer that the kidney is our most important excretory organ. Alright then, that's all for today. See you next time.